Today I'm going to show you how to save draft video on TikTok. Please leave a like and subscribe. So what you need to do is you need to go on TikTok and then you need to click on the plus button at the bottom. Click on the plus, and if you're here on this photo, if you just hold, it's going to record a video. And here you actually can't save it to draft. You can post it, add it to your story, or download it. So usually here it will be the download button, but the other way to do it is to click on the 15 seconds. And this is a bit differently, where again you would hold, and then once you have recorded the video, press on the check mark, and then you would click on next, and then you have drafts. So that's the big difference. If you were on photos, you long hold to record a video, you have to click on downloads. But if you just click on like 15 seconds or whatever, that way you will be able to put it in drafts and not save it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.